top shares to invest in right now. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on the minds of many investors: the top shares to invest in right now. With the stock market constantly evolving, it can be challenging to identify which companies are poised for growth. In this video, we'll explore some of the most promising stocks that could enhance your investment portfolio and help you achieve your financial goals. We'll start by analyzing current market trends, highlighting sectors that are thriving and those that are facing challenges. You'll learn about companies that have shown resilience and innovation, making them attractive options for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. But that's not all. We'll also share expert insights and tips on how to evaluate these shares, ensuring you make informed decisions. Whether you're looking for long-term investments or short-term gains, we've got you covered. So, if you're ready to discover lucrative shares that can boost your portfolio, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of where to put your money for maximum returns. Let's get started on this journey to smarter investing. Market overview: current state of the stock market and economic influences. As we navigate through 2023, the stock market is experiencing a dynamic phase shaped by various economic factors. Recent trends indicate a mixed performance across different sectors, with technology and renewable energy showing notable resilience. Despite some volatility, the overall market sentiment remains cautiously optimistic, driven by strong corporate earnings and consumer spending. Key economic indicators, such as inflation rates and interest rates, are playing a crucial role in influencing share prices. While inflation has shown signs of stabilization, the Federal Reserve's policies on interest rates continue to impact investor confidence. A careful balance between controlling inflation and fostering economic growth is essential for market stability. In this climate, sectors like healthcare and technology are emerging as growth leaders, benefiting from ongoing innovation and increased demand. Companies focusing on sustainable practices and digital transformation are particularly well positioned to thrive. Moreover, global events, such as geopolitical tensions and supply chain disruptions, are also affecting investment decisions. Investors are increasingly considering how these factors might influence market dynamics and corporate performance. In summary, understanding the current state of the stock market and the economic landscape is vital for making informed investment choices. Let's delve deeper into these trends and uncover the opportunities that lie ahead. Top technology shares: promising investment opportunities. When it comes to investment opportunities, the technology sector remains a powerhouse, with several leading companies consistently delivering impressive performance. Major players like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia have not only weathered market fluctuations but have also shown remarkable resilience and growth potential. Apple continues to dominate with its innovative product lineup and strong brand loyalty, while Microsoft's expansion into cloud computing and AI has significantly boosted its market value. Nvidia, known for its cutting-edge graphics processing units, is capitalizing on the growing demand for gaming and AI technologies, making it a standout choice for investors. But it's not just the giants that deserve attention. Emerging tech companies are also gaining traction, offering exciting investment prospects. Firms specializing in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and renewable energy technologies are rapidly evolving and attracting significant investor interest. These companies are often at the forefront of innovation, responding to consumer demand for smarter, more sustainable solutions. Innovation and consumer demand play pivotal roles in shaping tech share values. As technology continues to advance, companies that prioritize research and development are likely to see their stock prices soar. By keeping an eye on both established leaders and promising newcomers, investors can strategically position themselves to benefit from the ongoing evolution of the tech landscape. Let's explore these opportunities further. Healthcare sector investments: shares worth considering. The healthcare sector is a vital area for investment, especially as advancements in pharmaceuticals and biotechnology continue to reshape the landscape. Key players like Pfizer and Moderna have emerged as frontrunners, particularly highlighted by their groundbreaking work in mRNA technology and vaccine development. Pfizer's diverse portfolio and strong pipeline of drugs position it well for sustained growth, while Moderna's innovative approach to vaccines has opened new avenues for future therapies. Healthcare advancements are not just crucial for public health, they also have significant market implications. As new treatments and technologies are developed, they can lead to increased revenue streams for companies that successfully bring these innovations to market. This creates a ripple effect, driving investor interest and potentially boosting stock prices. Moreover, trends in healthcare spending are on the rise, influenced by an aging population and a growing focus on preventive care. As governments and private sectors allocate more resources to healthcare, companies that can effectively meet this demand are likely to see their stock performance improve. Investors should keep a close eye on emerging biotech firms and established pharmaceutical giants alike, as they navigate this evolving landscape. By understanding the dynamics of healthcare investments, you can make informed decisions that align with both market trends and societal needs. Let's delve deeper into the opportunities within this promising sector. Sustainable and green investments, companies focused on sustainability and renewable energy. As the world increasingly prioritizes sustainability, investing in companies focused on renewable energy and eco-friendly practices has become more appealing than ever. Leading the charge are companies like NextEra Energy and Tesla, both of which are making significant strides in the green energy sector. NextEra Energy is recognized as one of the largest producers of wind and solar energy in North America, while Tesla continues to revolutionize the automotive industry with its electric vehicles and energy storage solutions. Consumer demand for sustainable products and services is on the rise, driven by a growing awareness of climate change and environmental issues. This shift in consumer behavior is prompting companies to innovate and adapt, creating a wealth of investment opportunities in the green sector. Businesses that prioritize sustainability are not only appealing to eco-conscious consumers but are also positioning themselves for long-term growth. Moreover, government policies promoting green investments are playing a crucial role in shaping the market landscape. Incentives such as tax credits, subsidies, and regulatory support for renewable energy projects are encouraging both companies and investors to focus on sustainability. These policies can significantly impact stock performance, making green investments not just a moral choice but a financially sound one as well. By exploring these opportunities, investors can contribute to a more sustainable future while potentially reaping substantial rewards. Consumer goods and retail stocks. Shares performing well. In today's fast-paced market, consumer goods and retail stocks are capturing the attention of investors, particularly major players like Amazon and Walmart. Amazon continues to dominate the e-commerce landscape, showcasing impressive growth through its vast product offerings and efficient delivery systems. Meanwhile, Walmart has successfully integrated its brick-and-mortar presence with a robust online platform, allowing it to compete effectively in the digital space. Both companies have demonstrated resilience, adapting to changing consumer preferences and market conditions. Consumer behavior trends are significantly influencing retail stock prices. The shift towards online shopping, accelerated by the pandemic, has led to increased demand for convenience and fast delivery. As consumers prioritize experiences and sustainability, retailers that align their offerings with these values are seeing positive impacts on their stock performance. Additionally, companies that are agile in adapting to e-commerce and changing market dynamics are thriving. Retailers investing in technology, such as AI-driven inventory management and personalized shopping experiences, are better positioned to meet consumer expectations. Brands that embrace omni-channel strategies, blending online and offline shopping experiences, are also gaining traction. As we review shares in the consumer goods and retail sector, it's clear that those companies willing to innovate and respond to consumer trends are likely to see continued success. Let's explore some of these promising investment opportunities further. As we wrap up our exploration of the top shares to invest in right now, let's recap the key sectors and companies we discussed. We highlighted the resilience of major technology players like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia, as well as the promising opportunities within the healthcare sector, featuring giants like Pfizer and Moderna. We also delved into the growing importance of sustainable investments, spotlighting companies such as NextEra Energy and Tesla, and examined the dynamic landscape of consumer goods and retail stocks, with Amazon and Walmart leading the charge. The importance of making informed investment decisions cannot be overstated. By analyzing market trends and understanding the economic factors at play, you can position yourself for success in this ever-evolving landscape. Remember, thorough research and a keen eye on emerging opportunities are essential for maximizing your investment potential. If you found this video insightful, We encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more investment insights and updates. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and fellow investors who might benefit from this information. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content tailored to your interests. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video as we continue to explore the world of investing.